Welcome to our wrap-up of 2023's most shocking space events, where we've seen the unbelievable, the audacious, and the downright strange. First off, let's revisit the unidentified flying objects that puzzled us earlier this year, raising questions about extraterrestrial life and baffling scientists worldwide. Next, the realm of commercial spaceflight took a giant leap, literally. Entrepreneurs accelerated us towards an era where launching into space is as common as air travel. But it wasn't just humans venturing into the cosmos. Remember the rogue tomatoes that hitched a ride on one of these commercial flights? Fueling both laughter and curiosity, these vagrant vegetables brought an unexpected twist to our space narratives, sparking discussion about food cultivation in space environments. In the face of these surprising events, our understanding of space has been challenged, expanded, and deepened, making 2023 a year to remember. As we move into 2024, who knows what mysteries and marvels the cosmos will reveal to us next? Stay curious and keep exploring.